Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified computer repair technician, and today we are going to learn some basics of computer repair, that being the components inside a desktop and how to remove them properly. Some quick things we're going to go over, some tools real quick that I'm going to use to get inside this. I picked this beast of an HP over here, a little on the big side, because I wanted to have plenty of room inside so you guys could really see what's going on the inside, get a good view. If you're going to do this yourself at home, the first step we're going to do is make sure the computer itself is unplugged with no power running to it. So disconnected from any sort of power source, because we want you to live a long and healthy life, and electrocution does not aid in that. So we're going to make sure it's unplugged. Next thing you're going to do also is the power button on the front. You're just going to hold it down for like 30 seconds to a minute to remove any sort of residual power from the system. It's important because we, in addition to you living a long life, we also want your computer to live a long life, so we got to remove any of the residual power from the system, because it's going to help it. But next thing we're going to do too is now I'm going to break down for you what tools I'm going to use. Actually pretty simple for a desktop, they're really easy. That's one of the things why I thought we'd start with a desktop. It's a good place to start. Right, so one of the things I'm going to use is my pry tool here. It's great, it's flexible, it gets things open, so this can be super helpful. I use it less with the desktop, but it's good to have. Also keep in mind, you can do computer repair with maybe something that isn't made for computer repair. My first computer I ever opened up, with a butter knife and just a regular Phillips screwdriver. I did also break that first computer because I was using a butter knife and a Phillips screwdriver that was too big, but I did fix it after. So we're not going to focus on that. So I don't necessarily suggest using a butter knife, but where there is a will, there is a way. So even if it's not the perfect tool, sometimes you can get by with it. Next thing, I use this set, and these tools I put in the description down below if you want to get an idea of the size tools I'm using. Maybe you can find something similar at home, or if you want to order them yourself. Either way, they're down there. But here I have this set by Weha. It's really great. I like it because it grips well and it has all the different sizes I need for, specifically this is what I use for a desktop. I have a different set I use for a laptop because, I like having the right tool for the job. Okay. But the other thing to keep in mind that can be super helpful is any screwdriver can be a magnetic screwdriver if you need it to be, and you can leave it on a strong magnet for about 20 minutes to an hour, and it will then it will become magnetic, so you don't have to worry about your screws falling into the computer. You just pull the screw out on the screwdriver, which is pretty great. You can use, to prevent any sort of problem with static electricity, you can use one of those armbands and ground it. I don't specifically use that, but that is considered the correct way to do it. A lot of technicians don't. A lot of people argue with me about this, but it's really how you like to do it. For me, I won't be using one, but if you choose to use one, more power to you. But we're gonna get inside this and we're gonna see how it works.